Emma, the 5-year-old, is sitting on the floor, drawing a Christmas tree, while her little sister, Lily, is excitedly scribbling Santa's sleigh. Lily asks when Christmas is coming. Emma, with a wise nod, declares that if they start thinking about it now, it might come faster. Emma explains how they can make Christmas feel closer, writing letters to Santa, practicing Christmas songs, and baking cookies. Lily, with sparkling eyes, claps her hands in excitement. The two girls race to the kitchen, where their mother is making lunch. Emma blurts out, "Mommy, can we start getting ready for Christmas now?" Their mother chuckles and suggests a fun Christmas countdown with special activities. Emma and Lily exchange thrilled looks, shouting, "Yes, yes." They imagine what they'll do each month: Christmas crafts, movie nights, and baking treats. That night, as they lay in bed, they dream of twinkling lights, snowflakes, and Santa's sleigh bells. Even though Christmas is far away, it feels just a little bit closer in their hearts.